Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting the bike in its easiest gearing and removing tension. Shift to the smallest chainring and smallest rear cog, then unhook the shifter cable at the derailleur so you can move the mesh freely. Loosen the barrel adjuster fully, then use the high-limit screw to position the derailleur so the jockey wheel sits directly under the smallest cog. This prevents overshift. Once done, reconnect the cable lightly, just enough tension to hold the mesh near that stop, so you can fine-tune indexing next. Now you focus on cable tension and course indexing. With the chain on a mid-range rear cog, pull the cable taut and tighten the pinch bolt. This sets baseline alignment. Pedal slowly and click up one gear. If the chain hesitates, give the barrel adjuster a quarter turn to add tension. If it overshoots, back off. Repeat shifting through several cogs, making small half-turn barrel adjustments until shifts are crisp. Make sure to pause between moves so the derailleur settles and you can hear any rubbing. Finish by fine-tuning limits and checking under load. Shift to the largest rear cog and adjust the low-limit screw so the jockey wheel aligns without touching the spokes. This prevents drops. Then ride through the full cassette while making micro barrel adjuster turns to eliminate any last skips or delays, and test under light load. If the chain still drops or won't reach a cog, recheck cable housing for friction, ensure the derailleur hanger is straight, and verify the high and low limit screws are set correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.